Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me today I have gorgeous-looking Urvashi Rautela. I always call her gorgeous because that is how she looks. She looks amazing whenever she's there on the screen or off screen also. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom.
Thank you.
First of all, I have to compliment you. When I saw this necklace, it actually reminded me of Kate Winslet from the Titanic movie,
Oh my
and
God.
the entire look. Like, did you kind of got inspired by that look?
I mean, I love the movie in general, but no, I didn't had her in mind. But I love her.
And talking about working with Sunny Deol, after so many years,
Yeah.
you had like worked in Yamla Pagla Divana, and now cut to that.
Yeah.
How it was for you?
एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल है मेरे लिए क्योंकि उन्होंने ही मुझे मेरी लाइफ का पहला जिसे कहते हैं फुल फ्लेजेड लीडिंग रोल ही गेव मी इन सिंग्स ऑफ द ग्रेट वेयर आई वाज हिज वाइफ आई प्लेड दिस रोल ऑफ मिनी कट टू अभी जाट में हम आए हैं एंड आई रियली होप कि ये फिल्म बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लग रही है ट्रेलर टीज़र सभी को बेहद पसंद आया है आई रियली होप कि ये सनी जी के करियर की सबसे बड़ी हिट हो जाए एंड दिस विन विल बी वेरी पर्सनल विन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस बिकॉज आई रियली वांट जाट टू सक्सीड.
And as an actress, you have already entered the 100 crore club, recently with your movie. Now with the song, the song has become famous. It has its own pros and cons because, some are liking it, some are also, probably criticizing it. How do you take that as?
सो स्पेशली टच किया जो ये जाट का सॉन्ग है तो आप ट्रेलर देखेंगे आप टीज़र देखेंगे सनी देओल बोल रहे हैं सॉरी बोल सॉरी बोल. अब इस गाने में भी लड़की के बोल है सॉरी बोल सॉरी बोल सॉरी बोल. वो कह रही है कि दिल तुझको ही दूंगी पहले सॉरी बोल दिल तेरा ही लूंगी पहले सॉरी बोल. गालों को टच किया बालों को टच किया फिर भी तू बच गया हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरे संग नच गया फिर भी तू बच गया. सो सॉरी बोल का एक बहुत एक देयर इज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ सॉरी बोल. वो जब लोग 10 अप्रैल को जब नज़दीकी सिनेमा घरों में जाएंगे फिल्म देखेंगे तब उनको पता लगेगा कि सॉरी बोल का क्या मीनिंग है. और इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ सॉन्ग एक स्टोरी के नैरेटिव को आगे लेकर के जा रहा है ये पार्ट जो है. और इसमें सॉरी बोल और टच किया सॉन्ग में डांस ही नहीं किया है. जस्ट एक कैरेक्टराइजेशन होता है लाइनस का शेरनी का वही फॉलो किया है. क्योंकि आप कई सारे मैनरिज्म्स देखेंगे इसमें जिसमें अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई एम डूइंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई एम लाइक एक्सप्रेशन. आप बस गाना देखिए सॉरी बोल टच किया उसमें आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ आइज़ के एक्सप्रेशंस को अगर देखेंगे तो आपको एक शेरनी नज़र आएगी. तो द कोरियोग्राफी इज़ डन बाय जानी मास्टर. तो उनका यही था कि हमें डांस वांस कुछ नहीं करना है जस्ट शेरनी का एटीट्यूड कैरी करना है इसमें. तो वही जाट के फर्स्ट सिंगल ये उन्होंने पहला सिंगल उन्होंने यही वाला रिलीज़ किया टच किया सॉरी बोल. तो वही कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया है. तो द एंटायर एटीट्यूड इज़ ऑफ अ शेरनी लाइनस थ्रू आउट द थ्रू लाइक
Throughout this
Yeah.
scene, throughout the song, and I saw the song also. Urvashi काफी diligently किया है. Steps जो होते हैं ना basically, even if you're wearing a certain outfit, उसको comfortably दिखाना on screen भी एक कला होती है. And sometimes क्या होता है कि it could turn out to be raunchy, but it's not like that. In your case, that has happened. Even Dabidi Dibidi people had their own apprehensions. मुझे अच्छा लगा था तभी भी honestly, like I
Yeah,
liked it, and even
A lot
now
of people loved it, yeah,
yeah,
Dabidi.
it had its own vibe. The song could had its own tune and all.
Yeah, yeah,
Especially वो South Indian में ज़्यादा interesting लगता है सुनने में.
Yes.
And even now this one, when I saw the song, काफ़ी अच्छे से आपने present किया है. But कहीं ना कहीं comparisons होते ही है. And I've told you last interview में भी कि इस song का comparison हुआ था टिप टिप बरसा पानी के से. And लोगों ने कहा कि कहीं ना कहीं आपने शायद से वहाँ से steps लिए या you got inspired. What do you have to say on that?
See, the musical part, I'll leave it on Thaman, the music composer. वो better इंसान है इसके बारे में बताने के लिए. गाना उन्होंने पूरा कंपोज किया है. But song in general, मैंने चीज़ों को बताया कि इसमें डांसिंग ही नहीं है. इसमें it's all attitude of a lioness. That's it. और जब मुझे ये जाट ऑफर हुई थी तो मेकर से मुझे 3 बार पूछा आर यू फ्रॉम जाट कम्युनिटी. क्या आप जाट हैं क्या आप जाट कम्युनिटी से हैं. आई वॉज लाइक ओवर द मून. आई वाज लाइक थैंक गॉड लाइक आई वाज सो हैप्पी कि उनको ऐसा लगा दैट आई एम फ्रॉम जाट कम्युनिटी बिकॉज समहाउ आई फील दैट आई फाइंड people like boys and girls like who are Jat very attractive. They are their physical build, physical attribute वो जिस तरह के straightforward हैं और मतलब जो उनके मन में आता है वो बोलते हैं, और थोड़ा सा एक ब्रेवरी रहती है उनके सोल के अंदर, एक जाटपना जिसे बोलते हैं. तो आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी टू नो दैट व्हेन द डायरेक्टर एंड द मेकर्स एक्चुअली फेल्ट दैट आई बिलोंग टू अ जाट कम्युनिटी. सो आई वाज लाइक थैंक यू सो मच.
That itself is a compliment, but आप में वो उत्तराखंड वाली वाइब्स तो है ही, और कहीं ना कहीं यानी जाट के साथ में रिसेम्बलेंस हो तो it is possible of all
No, actually they felt that I'm a Jat because of my build.
Yes.
Jat जो होते हैं, they are very tall and they have a nice build, so that's why probably they felt that I'm from Jat community.
Another aspect of this song is कि रणदीप हुडा के साथ में कहीं ना कहीं you have kind of और वो भी ऐसे ही है जैसे सनी देओल
He is Jat, he's real
yeah,
life
he's
Jat.
Jat. He's actually like
Sunny
proper
Deol
Jat.
is also real life Jat.
Yes,
Yeah.
and working with someone like them, and Randeep Huda, we have seen like he brings that angry young man. So does Sunny Deol.
Sorry, Sunny Deol is from Jat Sikh
Jat
community.
Sikh community, yeah. And but the way they bring their anger into work when they are playing certain characters, वो काफी अलग लगता है. और रणदीप हुडा के साथ में first association नहीं है आपका. You have worked with him, and that movie itself, like there were clips rotating on social media. How was it reassociating with him?
एक्चुअली इस मूवी में एसोसिएशन बहुत मज़ेदार का रहा बिकॉज तीनों हीरोज़ के संग मैंने पहले भी काम करा था. तीनों की में बीवियाँ ही बनी थी. स्विंग्स ऑफ द ग्रेट में सनी देओल की बीवी, इंस्पेक्टर विनाश में रणदीप हुडा की बीवी, और विनीत कुमार सिंह जो भी लेटेस्ट छावा में आए थे, घुसपैठिया हमारी जो फिल्म आई थी उसमें उनकी बीवी. सो ऑल 3 एक्टर्स की मैं बीवी का रोल कर चुकी हूँ, एंड देन फाइनली हम सब के सब मिलकर के इस फिल्म में आ रहे हैं. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. और जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं गोपीचंद मालिनी गारू, उन्होंने बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक काम किया है. मूवी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉमिसिंग है, एंड आई रियली होप कि सभी लोग आएँ और 10 अप्रैल को अपना प्यार दें जाट फिल्म के लिए.
एट द सेम टाइम कहीं ना कहीं मूवीज़ को ऑफकोर्स अप्रिसिएशन तो मिल ही रहा है, बट रिसेंटली सनी देओल ने एक स्टेटमेंट भी दिया था कि कहीं ना कहीं रीजनल कंटेंट का जो सिनेमा है दैट इज़ वे मोर एक्सप्लोर्ड, और वहाँ पे ज़्यादा चांसेस ऑफ मूवीज़ बिकमिंग अ हिट बिकॉज उनकी स्टोरी लाइन काफ़ी अलग होती है. यू हैव वर्कड इन साउथ इंडियन मूवीज़, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट?
आई कम्प्लीटली अग्री. लाइक दिस फिल्म आई पहले बनी होगी जाट को लेकर के फिल्में, बट आई थिंक दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फर्स्ट फिल्म वेयर एक प्रॉपर पोर्ट्रेयल करा है जाट कम्युनिटी का, और उनका डायलॉग भी है कि मैं जाट हूँ. सो आई थिंक इट्स गोना वर्क. मुझे जितना लगता है इट्स गोना वर्क. मास अपील है फिल्म में, एक मास फीस्ट है ये, पक्का कमर्शियल फिल्म फॉर एवरीवन आउट देयर, एंड इट्स अ वेरी बिग बजट फिल्म. लोगों को पसंद तो आएगी.
Urvashi, I could see that you are kind of balancing in doing special numbers and also doing movies. But at the same time, कई बार ऐसा होता है because your numbers, special numbers become so famous and it is recognized to another level. Sometimes it supersedes your acting career. How do you balance that?
I think it's the case with everyone. Like if one thing turns out to be a bigger hit, so then बाकी और चीज़ें एक तरीके से overshadow हो जाती हैं या फिर लोग ज़्यादा notice नहीं करते. But since मेरी लाइफ की पहली फिल्म जो मैंने थिएटर में देखी थी, that was कौन प्यार है, which had Hrithik Roshan. So I always had in mind that I'm going to be an actor who dances also equivalently well. So yeah, I mean that was always in my mind. तो वही था, और ये सब चीज़ें ज़्यादा I don't overthink.
So because see that this is one question I even asked Nora, because she has done dancing only to most of her films and all, and now she's got into acting also, and she also felt like probably it becomes difficult, but then you have to kind of carve your way. Has that been so for you also?
I don't know. I mean, see, I tell you, like in industry, it's more of like I don't know. I mean, you keep on proving yourself still, like how. For recently, a lot of actors also, if one number or a dancing anthem ends up becoming a bigger hit, then people want to kind of cast you for the same thing or something. But I would call it like a bhed chal. I think that's what it is. But I think as an artist, you have the entire liberty to do the films which you want to do and do the dancing part or whatever you feel like. There should be a good mix, and I try to maintain a good mix.
when you crossed 100 crores at the box office, it was all in the news. Many loved it because being an outsider coming to that number, it's again like a journey, difficult, because favoritism and nepotism exist in the, in the cinema, and it's very difficult to kind of, reach a certain level. At the same time, because of that, a lot of negative PR also took place, around you, like be it like, OTT platform पे, people claim that, your role is not that. जबकि मैंने देखा तो आपका role properly था, कुछ बेशक cut नहीं किया था, and all these things happen. How did you take that? Because that also happens, in an actor's life.
I don't know. I'm like kind of sad because मूवी के रिलीज के तुरंत बाद हमने इंटरव्यूज कर दिए थे, तब तक 105 ही हुआ था, बट एक्चुअल में 200 क्रॉस हुआ है. So people are not talking about 200. They are all talking. They're stuck with 105. But the film in the end was a success. People really loved the film. जो भी देखते हैं हर कोई ज़रूर कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे करके जाता है कि उर्वशी आपकी फ़िल्म देखी डाकू महाराज बहुत अच्छी थी, तो अच्छा लगता है दिल से. और आई एम वेरी पॉजिटिव कि जाट भी सभी को पसंद आएगी और टच किया भी पसंद आएगा.
And as we move on the end side of the questions and all, we all love your connection in the Dubai, and we have seen that whenever you have been there, you are very in a happy mood. We have seen actors, moving abroad, be it Rakhi Sawant, be it Erika Fernandez, be it Salman, Shah Rukh having their palatial homes in Dubai.
Yes.
Do you see building a career that side, and what do you have to say on that?
I think when you're working globally, it's very important to have a place of your own outside also. And there's no harm. I mean, it's always a good to, keep on adding feathers to your, in your journey. And yeah, I think it's a good avenue, be it like New York or Paris or London. A lot of international work happens in all those countries. So it's very important to, keep working internationally also. For that, it's very important to, I'm not saying permanently shifting there, but like maybe shuttling.
And keep on traveling.
Keep on
basically.
traveling.
And you're one of the rarest actresses who got the gold visa also. Not everyone, gets that. Touchwood, you got that. When you're in Dubai, what do you love doing the most? Like shopping or like probably going somewhere else?
I got it in 2020. I was the first one to get it.
Yes.
So, oh my God, you said I'm always happy there. No, it's not the case. I'm happy everywhere. I'm happy each and every part of the world.
Dubai is like one shopping hub, so and I'm sure that must be making you happy.
But I'm like, I don't go out for shopping that much.
Acha, okay.
Yeah. I do love it, but like when there is no other stress of work.
Yeah, there's
when
no
I'm
work.
completely free mind, or I want to go, and then if I'm in that zone, then I like it.
Okay.
But it's not that very often that I am like a shopping fanatic or something. But yeah, I think everybody loves shopping, and it is such a nice place to be there to do shopping and all the adventure sports like skydiving and all of that. I love that.
Yeah. And you have been like one of the firsts in a lot of things. Last time when we met, we spoke about the special, watches which you got as gift from your parents. This time, I'm going to talk about the luxurious car you have gifted your own self, which only Shah Rukh Khan and Ambani right now has, in Bombay. And touchwood, that is a very good thing, in terms of your career. What do you have to say on that, buying a luxurious car for yourself, and how does it feel?
No, outside it's cheaper than India. Outside is cheaper than
What
India.
is the next on your list?
Nothing. I mean, like hopefully Jat also does the same business, so maybe I'll get something. Please pray kar lena.
I'm sure. But how does it feel? Because you're on the lines of someone like Shah Rukh Khan and Ambani's. Not everyone is blessed with that right now.
I think big respect because both of them, they're so hardworking. Ambani's probably Mukesh Ambani ji, he got it from his father, but he also had to work so hard to get what he has.
Yeah.
But Shah Rukh Khan sir did everything on his own. So a big and huge respect to him. I love Shah Rukh Khan, and I just love his personality, and he is our favorite, and he's my favorite and an inspiration, and I just love him. I mean, I still remember we met during a flight, but then I don't know, we were just talking, and he asked me that where is my mother from, where is my father from. It was a very nice conversation, and but he's very unique. He's on his own, and I really love him, and we all aspire to be like him.
Yeah, of course. And on that note, Urvashi, I have to ask you that you have been one of the youngest, actresses who have got into the business of, entertainment. At the same time, a millionaire, at a very young age. How does that feel, and what has been your manifestation goals, towards that? Affirmations and manifestations.
I think it's always good to have a financial, independence as a girl. And then it kind of gives you a freedom and happiness. It's very important for all the girls. But at the same time, I really worked hard, Everyone works hard, nobody gives it to anyone in platter. But I'm really happy that I get to do what I really love. I'm passionate about my art and I worship my art. And I always try to give my best. I think that's what is really most important. So be it in any work, be it in any job. So I think God watches it, and it's like, when you really work hard, we always get like good karma also. Good karma also very important. So not thinking bad about anybody, or not saying anything bad about anyone. I think that's all of that comes under karma, and that's very, very important, and I follow that. So
And lastly, would you like to venture into something else also, like probably a career in politics or something else altogether, post being a part of the acting world?
I don't know about politics, but yeah, I got a lot of offers from politics, but maybe right now I'm still in my creative mode, so maybe later.
Yeah.
Who knows?
What's next after Jat for you?
What's next after Jat? After Jat, there are a couple of films which were supposed to release last year, but they couldn't release, so maybe they will be releasing this year. One of them is Baap, then there is Welcome to the Jungle. There are a couple of other films also, and yeah, my international single with Jason Derulo, which I shot back in 2020.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, so I shot international single with Jason Derulo. It was back in 2020, so that is supposed to release this year. So yeah.
Well, lovely chatting with you,
Thank you.
Urvashi, and thank you so much for a lovely time, and looking
Thank
forward
you.
to see more of your work. And of course, after Jat, more announcements are coming your way.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.